I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January 2025, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals, and our prompt for today is trim. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. Well, I have got this pretty lace, and because of this one, I used this trim. I thought just to make it cohesive, I could use it as well. So I'm going to cover that up so it's not so distracting. Let's see here. I think that's the right side up. And I'm going to cut a piece of lace to go there. Move that. And I will cut a piece of trim. This is pretty trim. I like it, but it's thick, so it's nice to be able to use it. Okay. So now, use my Fabri-Tac. I'm going to go ahead and put down my, I don't know, I think I'll wait and put my trim down last. But first of all, I want to put down my background. I believe this is where I had done some sprays, played around with everything. And let's see, got that. And I've got that. And I'm going to put that down. Find my art glue. There it is, my art glitter glue. There's not a whole lot going on. Hadn't felt real good. Can't get out. It's cold. I'm filming this on Wednesday, but by the time this airs on Friday, we're supposed to have ice. So I'm hoping it's not true. I will let you know on Saturday, tomorrow, for you. Whether we had the ice. Or if you don't hear from me, it's because we don't have any power, because Mississippi's not great about, we don't get weather like that very often, so we're just not equipped to deal with it. And the power lines break. And this one. I'm gonna have to make some more different papers. Got lots of white ones. It's a good way to use up those little scraps you have when you cut off papers from journals. Okay, now I want something down here just to kind of ground it. Something like that. I will ink it. And this one too, just to get rid of that white edge. And we'll get this down. This one should go a little faster. All right. Now I have this little girl, and I'll ink around her. And I've got this butterfly. And I want to attach her, something like that. And then we'll go around her and add her down. And there we go. And now I'll add my trim. My trim and my lace. I can get my lid off. I have more issues with my glue. And now for this trim. All right. Now, I think the only thing I'm going to do is add some gold splatters. I think I'll go with this gold this time. Cute. And I think I didn't add splatters yesterday, so I think I'm going to add some splatters to this as well. All right. And I almost forgot to stamp my date. And there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I do think that I want to add a little bit of Stabila Olive just to give her a little bit of shadow. It just seems a little flat here. And just kind of there. Just, I do like that look. Grab that. Go ahead and get here too. just a little bit behind her wings. Nothing major. All right. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I've been getting lots of subscribers. I finally got over 1,000, and I'm just so pleased, and I'm just ecstatic about it, and y'all mean so much to me. I love y'all. I really do. So y'all take care, and be sure and check out Meg's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. Until next time, bye y'all.